tomorrow also they go into the World Cup unbeaten. So they have been the best side of the competition. I hope they have a little bit of luck tomorrow because that is required in winning big tournaments. Rohit has the record of winning IPLs. He's won 5 IPLs, which is a huge effort. Actually, winning IPL sometimes is a more difficult thing, and I'm not saying a better thing. Don't misquote me tomorrow. They're saying IPL is better than international cricket. I'm not saying that. You have to win 16, 17 matches to win an IPL. And here you have to win about 8, 9 matches to win an IPL. So to win a World Cup. The honor is more of winning a World Cup for India. So I hope Rohit does it tomorrow. I don't think he can lose 2 finals in 7 months. He will probably jump into the Barbados Ocean if he lose 2 finals as captain in 7 months. I wish them luck. I wish they win. As I said at the start of the tournament, they should play with freedom, and he himself has done that as a captain. He's led from the front, he's batted brilliantly, captained brilliantly, and I hope it continues tomorrow. Coming to your second question on wickets, the wickets have been different in the West Indies. It has helped the spinners. That's why every team has played with more number of spinners than the quicks. India prepared that way because they took Kuldeep, they took Akshar, they took Jadeja, there's Chahal waiting outside. So they knew that the wickets will turn. So they've taken 4 spinners, and they are all world-class spinners. World-class spinners. I'm very happy Akshar and Kuldeep are playing together and doing so well because they're part of my team in the IPL. So as I said, fingers crossed tomorrow. Finals are finals, but I hope India finishes on the right side tomorrow. I don't know how the wicket will behave. You don't know about the wickets till you actually bowl on it. But both the teams have enough balance in them to exploit on any conditions, and that's why both the teams have gone to the final unbeaten. And I think batting will be key for both the teams. I think winning the toss will be very important for either of the teams because I'm not sure whether they would be wanting to bat second on these pitches, especially what we saw in Guyana yesterday with the ball turning so much. So you win World Cup finals with a lot of factors if you do well. It's not just one department of the game. You have to bat well, bowl well and field well. That's what India did last night.